Keywords and key phrases. We hear these terms used all the time, along with a whole heap of other marketing words. Today, we're going to bust open what they mean, how useful they are in your business, and why you should really just understand what they are. Whether you need to get involved or not is a completely different matter. My name's Kevin from the Online Visibility Agency, and today we're going to be talking about key words and key phrases. So what is a key word and what is a key phrase? And I'm going to take this right back to the very basics of what it is. When people go into any type of search bar online, whether it's within your own system, whether it's within a search engine, whether it's within a social media platform, people type stuff in. They'll say, I want to find, how do I do this? I'm looking for these types of things. What happens is the search bar, the system that's going off and siphoning and filtering all this information, will focus on keywords within what the human beings typed in and marry it up with the right reply. It's simple like that. So a key word is one word. A key phrase is a combination of words. And it's what people type in. The core of the essence of what they're searching for is what the search systems deemed to be a keyword or a key phrase. And when, of course, we create content, whether it's on a website, a blog, social media channel, or whatever, most people will go, right, I've looked at keywords and my audience type in marketing. So I'm going to make sure I've got marketing in as many times in my piece of content as I possibly can. Not the best way of doing it, to be perfectly honest. You do need to understand what it is. You need to use the appropriate tools to find out what people are searching for your business. So that will be a keyword. More commonly, and to get better results, key phrases are used more frequently now because everything online has got so much now that the key word on its own often isn't enough, and it will send up false results for them, and you'll get the wrong people coming along. So the key phrases are better, in my opinion, because it targets a more specific requirement, and therefore when the search system, whichever it is, whether it's a search engine or whether it's search somewhere else, can tie up more specifically. So the amount of search traffic goes down, but the result you will get will go up, and it will be more appropriate for what you are looking and the people you are looking to be connected with. Now, remember, when people go to any type of search, they're looking for something. Whatever it is, it doesn't matter. Even if they go into Amazon, for example, they go to the search bar, I want to buy a black pair of so-and-so trainers. I want whatever it is, microwave, and that's, again, even within that system, you need to tie up what that search question is against what the search result is. So think about what that may be for your business. I will tell you this, and this is for free. What you think it is probably isn't what they're searching for, because you undoubtedly will be in your own world of whatever it is that you do, and you will think, oh, all my customers will know this as this, or all my customers will type that in, because that's what I would type in. But you have the knowledge and the skill and the expertise in your industry, and guess what? The people searching don't, and they're looking for the solution, and they may not even know what it is actually that they're looking for. So you have to get into their head as to what would they type, tie that up with actual search results. You can do research on keywords and key phrases, which give you an actual result of how many people have typed that in over the past however long, and it will give you associated and relevant ones as well. So the system that you're using to do this research says, actually, this is related to that key phrase. It's very similar. It might be a mistype. It might have an S on the end of it. It might not. And then it will give you some ideas as to how you can use those within your content in an appropriate way to get the connection that you're looking for between the person in the search environment going, I need help with, I'm looking for, where do I find, how can I do, whatever it is, and then their keywords or the words they think are keywords, and how you want to deliver that content to them. So that's how it works. It's quite simplistic in the way that it operates. What all of these gurus won't tell you is that firstly, you can't keyword stuff anything. If you just stick loads of keywords in an article, it's rubbish. It reads rubbish. The human being goes, oh, it's rubbish. The search systems go, you're trying to trick us, so we're not giving you anything. It has to be used appropriately in the normal language of what you're writing. And therefore, when you've got it appropriately within the right piece of content, it will then, once you've instructed it to be indexed, it will get indexed and be higher probability of being found by that person when they're searching. Remember, people don't, there's not just one search, one person. Multiple people will use the same phrase over a period of time to find what it is that they're looking for as help and support with that particular inquiry. And that's where it comes to. It also takes time. So if you have a brand new website, you put one search phrase into a really decent article, you get it indexed somehow. Don't expect it to suddenly flood you with traffic coming in that's relevant to that particular key phrase. You have to build an authority up in your content so these search systems can turn around and go, they've written 30 good articles, all focusing on how do I do my own SEO, for example. How can I optimize my website, for example? So once you've worked that out and you've had the consistency of doing it, in previous videos, I've talked about how you can get that indexed and how you can start to promote it. Then you will start to see the organic results that you're looking for. And it really is that simple. What most businesses don't do is this, because guess what? They're off running their business and they want to deliver the service. They want to deliver the product or whatever it is that they're doing. They don't want to be sat at a computer working out keywords, key phrases, and writing content that's going to attract those people in. What they want to do is just sell it either at the front door, online, however they want to sell it, and deliver and produce that exceptional customer service. So they get bored real quick, because for them and most business owners, it's not something that they deem as time worthy within their business until they get to a point of outsourcing it to an agency like ours, or bringing someone in-house and training them, or having them already trained to run the marketing, the digital marketing side of their business for them. But many up to five employee sized businesses will not have the time to do this. Therefore, they won't have the regularity of posting. And guess what? They all say the same thing. This stuff don't work. It does work, but you have to work it in the right system with the consistency to get the result. That's the key. That's what you should be thinking about. And if you can't commit to it, but you want the result, think about how you can get someone to commit to it for you to get the result. It's that simple. Have a great day. Remember, if you want more help, support, then you can join us on the businessbloggingchallenge.com, where we cover a whole heap of things. But ultimately, you get to write 30 blog posts in 30 days, publish them, get immersed in our amazing community of bloggers that will help and support you along your way to understanding and implementing business blogging done the right way. It's free to join. Click the link, type in the link, because you can't click it because it's on a video, and we'll see you in our group. Thanks, everyone. See you on the next video.